Welcome to ATM Trading Club. In a few minutes, you're going to watch a video that was based on the FOMC meeting announcement that took place on Wednesday, November 3rd, 2021. You will see a live stream trade in which members took a put credit spread during the meeting and how they received a 60 cents credit per contract. And at the end of the day, the put credit spread expired worthless. You're going to watch how the members follow price action, technical indicators, patience, management, and risk tolerance based on their account. This is what you will learn at ATM Trading Club. You're just not giving alerts. You're just not a member with a dollar sign. You're an actual person that we thrive upon making successful with our skills, strategy, education, and mentorship program. We are not just an alert service. We are educators. We are educators to make you successful so you are able to eventually become financially free and take care of yourself, your family, and have a successful trading career. I hope you enjoy the video. Subscribe, join our Discord channel, and hope you enjoy the information that you're about to see. Thank you from ATM Trading Club. Taper in November. They're going to taper in November. The inflation is transitory.
Yeah, we're going to 46.50.
Yeah, rates are going down. TLT snitching. TLT
The VIX
snitching.
just gapped down.
Yeah,
I mean,
TLT
they're buying a
snitching.
little market.
Look at the VIX. Look at the VIX. Oh my God.
Oh, crap.
Damn it, man. I knew this thing was going to pop, man. Damn it, I was looking at the... Look at Amazon, man. Who's on Amazon?
Damn it.
Who's on Amazon? Who got Amazon?
Dang it. Missed it.
Damn, man. Man, I was looking at the... I was looking at the 70. It was at 60. No, it was like 30 cents, man. All right, let's wait.
Wow.
Wow. Man,
I had my eyes on 80 cents on 95.
Man, those long wicks, man. Those long wicks were snitching big time.
So I'm thinking that our target's going to be closer to R1 close or above 45, maybe.
PLT snitching big time. All right,
Yeah.
let's just chill.
Now we got to let this thing play out, but the VIX is still dumping, Jess.
Yeah, no, yeah, big time. Just wait 15, just wait 10 minutes. Just wait 10 minutes. Don't anybody FOMO. Wait until this thing. No, I just lost my connection. You guys hear me?
Yep. Clear as day.
Who's talking again?
It's Powell. Powell will be.
I'm just being an ass.
Man, I saw that sweep on Amazon, man. I knew they were anticipating something on Amazon, man. I saw that thing coming on the level 2. I said, man, what the hell? This thing was down. This was down all day today. This thing was down all day. What's Ford doing?
They're all going to go. Watch the banks. If the banks go now, because they were flat, that will be a key indicator.
Ford's at 30 or 1838.
All right, now we pay attention to this long wicks, and we're looking for continuation of these long wicks with bits. Okay, not yet. Just chill.
Good call on the Amazon play, man. That mug already up like what, about $300 or $400.
Man, listen, I saw that sweep coming in, man. I was like, why are they? And I looked at my thing. I saw that go from $16 to 20-something dollars. I said, what? Oh, hell no. They were sneaking into Amazon, man, right before the FOMC meeting, man. They were sneaking. They were paying above asking price for that call, man. Above. If this thing continues, this thing could go to 30, let me see. 34.80, 34.50. If it goes to 34, if it goes to 34.80, man, if it goes to 34.70, that's $70. Wow, I don't even want to say how much that would be. I'm not even gonna say how much it would be. Man, they try to sneak that one on Amazon, man. They try to sneak in on Amazon, big time.
Look at the MACD.
Man, this thing, I'm telling you, man, this is ripping, man. And I had, damn it, man, I had the 46.60 price at 30 cents, man. The straight call SPX. Damn, man, if Amazon hits 3,400 today, oh my God, this thing's gonna go to the moon, man. Whatever we miss on Tesla, Amazon's gonna give it to us. Man, the premiums are still holding though.
They're probably waiting till Powell talks.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we gotta
the
watch
VIX
out for
just
the
hit a
press.
support too.
We gotta watch out for the press conference.
Yep.
Ford is pushing now. It's trying to get to 1850. It got rejected.
Which one? What is it?
Ford.
Oh, Ford, yeah.
We have the comparisons for what just came out, what's different. So again, they had in summer, these factors expected to be transitory, supply and demand imbalances, and the reopening have contributed to it. So we will likely affect public health and supply chain. Progress on vaccinations and easing supply concerns. That's what they're looking for reduction in inflation. It might be substantial further progress since last December. They decided to begin reducing monthly tapering of net asset purchases. Is what we're expecting.
Yeah, very possible, Big Red. We might do some leap on that, man. I'm really considering some leap on that.
That'd be my target.
5,000 was the original number they talked about months ago.
Yep.
They wanted it.
They're gonna get it.
They
Yeah,
could.
It looks like they're gonna get it.
Man, Jess, I have to thank you real quick too. You said, look at the VIX, it's fallen. And I quickly grabbed along, and that was the quickest 5 points ES that I have ever taken in my life. That was like 8 seconds.
You could have made a lot of money off that.
Nice. I told you, man, these indicators, man, when this thing comes second nature to you, man, this thing is, man, I'm telling you, man. I put my money where my mouth is, man. Not to brag and not to flex, but I got my money on me with anybody.
Sonia took three Amazon.
Amazon, please? What are you crazy?
No, that's how she is. That's not crazy. That's good risk management. Yeah, that's good risk management.
Man, I took one.
Yeah, well, she's just got more, whatever you want to call.
Let me see. Make them free. Wait until the next. Be monitoring that. Sell one and make the rest free once you break even on the other ones.
Yeah, there you go, Sonia. Way to go.
So that's 8. So you're writing one. All right, perfect.
Wow.
Perfect.
That's going to be huge.
How much did you make on the 2? Damn, perfect hit. How much did you make on the 2? Man, the Russell is ripping, man.
Started to come back. Bank stocks, watch for them and start ripping. See that? They get the first move, and then they back up, tech comes up.
Yep, this is normal, so just wait. This is why we wait.
And waiting for the press.
Yep.
Man, the Russell just popped and has not done no pullback like the SPX. Nothing. The Russell has not. Look at this. Look at the pullback on the SPX, and look. The Russell has done no pullback compared to the SPX.
Yeah, one of the other traders made 6 figures today on the Russell. He took however many contracts to make 6 figures. He was down 27,000 earlier this week, and he churned it all around and is up 6. So he made at least 100,000 this week. Look at Ping, she did the rut.
You did the Russell? What Russell did you get?
That would have been the play today, in my opinion.
It's just hard to fill, man.
Yep.
And I ain't gonna lie to you. I took a Russell play, and I didn't give it on the air because you guys are not ready for that.
No, the Russell was the
It's hard
where all
to
the strength was.
It's hard to fill. It's really, really hard to fill. That's why I won't give those Russell plays here, especially on FOMC.
It's even harder to close.
Exactly. It's
fill.
even harder to close. Look.
Yep.
Okay. So it's not that I'm holding out on you guys. It's just that I will not get that play out, especially on an FOMC meeting, and risk everybody's account like that. Not on the Russell, because it's very, once you start getting comfortable with the indicators and trading, you'll do these plays, but you gotta be, you gotta learn how to trade good when playing these Russells, man. The Russell changed when they added the expiration. I used to kill them on Fridays, and I used to give them out all the time because it was a super safe play. But when they added, forget it, man. When they added, the volatility on this thing just changed big time. And TLT just sold off big time, man.
Bonds are getting crushed right now.
We should have done a put on TLT, man.
Yep, definitely. Bonds are getting crushed.
Big time.
Now we're getting a rotation because the Dow is strong and the tech is pulling back. Patience, patience, patience. See that VIX spike the premiums for us, and then we can get into a play.
Yeah, producer. That's gonna be for next Friday. Yeah. If it's, remember, make sure your account could take the $2,500 loss, Akine.
Let's not make Sonia mad today. That's real bad mojo for Ford.
Yeah, it's almost in the money. It's already 1841.
Yeah, and they're buying everything right now. They're rotating right out of bonds and into equities.
That 47 call is now 70 or 75, I guess.
How much did we
It's
get
71.
it for? We got it for like 14 cents?
No, it's 47. 47.
47 cents?
Yeah.
I thought I had one for like 14 cents. Man, that Russell is going, man. Man, I wish you guys were good scalping the Russell, man. Man, it's just the Russell, man. The premiums, they like play with the premiums of the Russell, man.
Well, that was just a huge bull flag on the Russell on the rut too. We touched the opening range high and it's ripping now. This thing's gone. It's going to go and break high of day.
Yeah.
big time. There's demand right there too. So you see when you talk about buyers, that's demand. So like you see that real long wick on that 15-minute candle and then the huge green candle,
Look,
gone. That's not coming back. No
Look.
way.
look at this, guys. Look at my chart real quick on the IWM. Okay, this is the reason why I took this play. It's recorded, Nash. Don't worry about it. Check this out. Okay, look how the Russell was pulling back during the announcement as it got closer to the announcement, right? But look at this. This is where they got snitched. Look at this, and look at this. Okay, look at this still going down, and even when this thing went down, it stayed flat. It was not confirming the price down. So, and look at the momentum this thing is building. It shows that this thing is a very hard. Okay, look at the MACD. Very hard index to play in credit spread, man. Look at how many times I had to look. I'm gonna show you how many times I had to snake this call because I would not get filled. And then exiting it is even, yeah, it is. It is. Look at how many orders I had to put in. Man, Bank of America's ripping. This is good for banks. Bank of America's ripping, man. Man, boy's about to go in the money. Wait for the Vega. Wait for Powell to start talking, man. Hold on. Wait for him to start talking. They're still holding premiums.
Yeah, it's gonna pause right here. So we're not in any hurry.
This thing is still holding premium. Somebody talk up. Then somebody. We broke down Morgan Stanley. We broke down Morgan Stanley. Oh wow! I'm surprised Morgan Stanley's down. That's weird. Man, Bank of America is ripping, man. We should have kept the Bank of America. You know, I kind of forgot that the FOMC was today. If not, I would have never sold. I would not have told you to cut the Bank of America. Damn it, man.
It's really moving now. Holy
Yeah,
cow.
it's the interest hike, I guess.
Of course, they
Yeah.
love that. That's great for banks.
We could be playing
Yeah,
banks all
great
week
for
now.
banks.
That's great for banks. I forgot the FOMC was Wednesday. Was today. Now we would have held at Bank of America. Damn it, man.
So Jess, I assume I know we're not taking anything yet, but just starting to look at some PCS.
Depending on what Powell says. It all depends on this guy, man. Right now, this is a flip of a coin. Right now, the sentiment is very bullish. Very, very bullish. So now, this is the difference between the FOMC now and the FOMC 3 or 4 years ago. The FOMC will come out. There was no Fedman talking. That's it. So right now, you will wait 5 minutes and the market gives you a direction. But now this idiot wants to do these conference, you know, and now he added a twist to the whole thing, man. So now you have to be very careful because now it was just the meeting came out, no interest rate hike, whatever, or interest rate hike, whatever. The market liked it, didn't like it, boom, and it will go direction. You know, the direction will go. But now this guy talks, and I don't think he's gonna say nothing negative. but just one little phrase that the market interprets the wrong way, the market will set off 20, 30 points. And premiums are still holding. Look, the 46.15, it's at 50 cents. I think it was at 80, right? It was at 80. It was at 80. But this guy's speech is very important, man. Yeah.
See, the Dow still has a lot of ground to make up. Tech's really bullish.
Man, Bank of America is ripping, man. Bank of America is ripping.
We also got to watch the major news agencies like CNBC. Remember there was one time that it was up and then it came back because they said something contrary to what was really being said.
Yeah.
I don't know. He's too good with his words.
We're on a support. I mean, on a resistance. We're on a resistance of the 15 minutes. Well, we held this trend line. This original trend line that I put. Man, that Russell, man.
Hey, Jess,
Yeah.
is there a put spread that we could put on for Amazon for people who can't lose $2,500?
Let me see.
By the way, I still have Bank of America, so
You still have it? Where are you at?
I never got out. No.
Where is it at now?
It's at 80. It's I bought it at 63. It's at 82 right now.
Damn, nice. That's gonna hold it because that's probably gonna have continuation tomorrow.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna get out of half when it doubles.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, exactly that. Yeah, that's a good idea. We're gonna do an SPX play, man. Just chill. Wait until this guy starts talking. The Dow's about to go green, so.
Yeah, don't forget about the Amazon put credit spread though.
I'm looking at Amazon right now. The thing is that you will have to go all the way down to. You have to come down to 32.80 where they started buying. So the 32.80 for this week, it's about 55-60 cents. Go a little bit higher with the 85.80, and now the thing is that you gotta be careful with the credit spread on Amazon because look at the width. Look at the width of the credit. How wide they are.
They're
Look,
$5.
the mid is 55 and the ask is 75. So the 55, it has a 20 cents wide spread, and it has a almost 40 cents wide from the bid of the ask. So you have to be very careful.
Yeah.
You could do. You could do a debit spread. You just be limited on the profit.
I'm okay with that.
You could actually do.
Huh.
You could do that same play I did on a debit for 170 bucks. You'll make about $400. You could actually do it even, yeah. You could do that same play for 170 bucks. Or, hold on.
What, so what, 3,400, 3,405 or?
Yeah, as a matter of fact, you can even do this one even better. This one's 200. Let me see, hold on. Maybe 180, and I'll go over 3370. All right, this one's pretty good. It expires this Friday. The 3365, 3370. It's like $1. I mean, it's like 180 bucks, $190 to make about 390 bucks.
Did you
That's
post that?
Amazon.
Did you post that?
Yeah, I will.
33, what was
Or
it?
if you want time, let me see. Hold on. Let me
Yeah,
price
time,
this.
yeah,
Time is always better.
yeah.
Yeah, get the time because it's not that much. Let's see. Yeah, this one's for 200 bucks to make $300. Risk 200 and make 300. It's decent, and it should get there. Damn, look at the Russell, man. My God. Damn, man. We might have to do a Russell play, man. I'm just gonna have to hold you guys' hands tight.
They're
Let me
going.
see.
This thing's going. Look at all of the indices.
Man, the Russell's not even looking back.
Just on that Amazon play you just posted, that's a call credit spread?
Yeah, a debit spread.
No, you got a
Debit
You got it
spread. Okay.
backwards?
right there.
Oh shit,
Yeah.
shit. Hold on. I got it backwards?
Yeah,
Hold on. Damn it. Hold on.
it's a
Abort.
205 right now.
Abort. Hold on. Damn it. Hold on. I'm looking at 1,000 things. Hold on.
MACD's getting stronger. We're gonna bust through this pretty quick. Yes, Ace.
Oh man. All right. Okay, this one's 200.
Why does everybody keep saying, is this the start of the Santa rally? It's already
Oh,
begun.
yeah.
Come on.
There you go. It's $200. You can snake it for like 190.
Dang it.
200 to make 300.
Wow. Nice shake and bake action.
All right, let's see.
I'm sorry, that debit play just now. What's that? What ticker is that for?
Amazon.
So you say snake it at 190?
Yeah, you can probably get it. Let me see.
I don't know, it's a
It already
203.
went.
It's a little, well, we could try it on a
Let
retracement.
me see. Hold on. It's at 213 now.
2 minutes.
210. 198 right now. You can do it right there. 198.
I got it at 205, 220.
213 now. 213.
Yeah, you know what? I'll put it in at 190, see what I get.
You could go because Amazon moves so much. Go one strike higher. Nah, it's not worth it because it's still the same price. Yeah, you have to snake this. Yeah, because look, the 370.75 price the same as the 375, 380. You could even try to snake the 33.65, 33.70 for about 215. You got to play with those three strikes. Play with those three strikes and try to snake it around 200 bucks.
So you think that 65, 70 is better?
Let me see. 65.70. Yeah, anything closer to the strike is at 218 right now. 215. Because if you go a little bit lower, you're really not getting any value. Because look, the 370, 375 is at 205, 215. You can snake you can snake at the same price, 215, 218. The 365, 370. Look, I saw 198. You can snake it right now at 190. Damn it. I'm gonna try to snake one. I'm gonna try to snake one for you guys. Hold on. It's at 233 right now. Yeah, Amazon radar.
So
20
snake it.
seconds. It's gonna, damn it, that shit went. Wow. Man, I just, oh, 190. 190, 190, 190. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go.
It's at 245 right now, my friend.
Yep.
All right, I got it in at $2. We'll see what happens.
All right, so it's good. It is.
Wow, did you get it?
Yep.
You got it at 190?
Yep.
How'd you do that?
Fast fingers.
Well, you owe me a beer.
No problem. I'll give you a 6-pack. It's at 205 now. Yeah, I'm gonna snake another one like at 200. 207.
I got to order in at 2. We'll see what happens.
Look, I'm gonna try. Oh, got another one.
Wait a minute. Wait, no.
Look, I got another one. Look,
And how'd you get in front of me?
look. Man, I'm the fastest trigger in the West, man. Look. Oh, 195.
Oh, you're buying on November 12th. I'm buying. Yeah, no. Gosh, darn.
November 12th, next week. I just think that.
You know what?
Hurry up on that
I'm gonna
one.
show you my order and then you tell me if I'm doing this wrong. I don't know how you're getting in there.
Hey, Jess, you accidentally sold the second one.
Oh my God, I did. Damn it. Damn it, I sure did. Oh, well. Damn. Man, I always get confused with these stupid debit spreads. Wow, I'm up $26. Damn it. I actually sold it for 234. So let me see. Did I do this shit right? Man, I'm glad I only did one. So I needed to go over 3370 by next week. Man, this thing took $500 of margin on me. Damn it, Amazon. I can't believe I did that. Oh well. So I needed to be over 3370. 3370 by next week. Now I got $2.34 credit. Well, it's a 1-to-1 ratio. Actually, I only risked 250, 260. I'll only risk 260, so it doesn't matter. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. Yeah, I can't believe I did that.
We're coming back into the 9 EMA. The VIX hasn't dropped yet. It's actually not moved in the last 15 minutes.
Man, I can't believe I saw the crash right now. All right, let's see. Man, this Russell, man. Damn, man. Man, I need you guys to get it right quick, man.
They're pushing off that 9 EMA again. And the VIX is dying. Blaming the pandemic exclusively.
All right, let's find out. We should be okay. So we should be 46. We gotta get down to 46.20.
2520 is at 85, 90.
Guys, 46.20. It's at 60 cents, 65 cents. Let me see. 20, that's 30, 40. That's under the trend line.
Are we sitting for an SPX play?
Yeah, 46.20. Hold on. That's 65 cents.
That's the one we're taking?
Yeah. I'm putting it up now. Hold on.
That 46.20.15.
46.20.
Yes.
Yeah, 46.15. Hold on a second. Don't pull the trigger yet.
Okay.
We're gonna leave it 5? Yeah, okay.
Okay, try to go 60, 65. Hurry up. It's at 60 right now. Try to fill 60. 65 right now. 60. That's 60. It's at 50 now. 45. 45. 50.
Yeah, that's it.
It's at 45.
Another non-field play. Oh, you mean the vaccine?
Here we go.
¿Vas a meter ese, no?
Huh?
Really?
No, Nash, hold on. Hold on.
So the focus of this is bring asset purchases, not on rates. It is time to take.
Hold on.
Substantial further progress toward our goal.
Try to get 55 if you can. That's like the least. Try to get 55. 55. It's at 55 right now.
Getting your question, our baseline expectation is that
55. You should be able to fill at 55. That's 60 right now. You can snake it at 60. Well, too late. 55. 55.
Certainly we should see inflation down in the second or third quarter. The time for lifting rates and the eventual accommodation and after the economy, I think we've been patient.
All right, let's see what happens. Not seeing any type of weakness at all. Now they're buying the Dow and the VIX is still falling. 55 is niche.
Yeah, 55. I don't think it's at 55 no more. Yeah, it is. Okay. 'So remember, guys, we're under all these supports. All of these supports. We have to stay above all of these supports. We need to break this pivot. We need to break this pivot. If we break that pivot, the spread should go down to like 20 cents. Woo, what
He
a
is
pop.
doing the Q&A
Algos
right
just kicked
now.
in. Algos are kicking in. Algos are kicking in. 35 cents, 30. The spread's at 30, 30 cents. Woo! Woo! This thing, algos are kicking in. There you go. And that's how you trade the FOMC meeting. Ha, ha. There it goes. Huh? What an entry. You guys are great, man. You guys gave a good entry.
You did that. I couldn't wait. I had to come out of my workshop to join this call.
What an entry, man. You guys are monsters, man. You guys are monsters, man.
Sonia was holding my hand the whole time. She gave me 2025 at 80.
Oh, 2025. But we were going in 2015, right?
Yeah, she was the one that had it on. So this was for my little account because I need to make a little bit of money. I have a very needy wife, and Sonia knows that, so she was able to hold my
No,
hand through it.
I didn't get fill on the 15-20. That's why I moved ahead. I'm like, I'm not taking it for 50. That spread just dropped.
It did. But
So
a
the
break
other
above,
one, I got it for 80. I had a tight stop. So I'm like, okay, let's try it for 80.
heck yes, Sonia. Thank you for the
Sonia,
call
you
out. I
know-
appreciate it. You just confirmed that I'm gonna probably just follow your call outs when I start your Discord for you.
Uh-oh. We'll take
Sonia,
that.
I have a needy wife and 2 needy kids too. Joe only has 1 right now.
Yeah, I
But
only have
let me
one.
tell you one thing. I'm needy myself.
I've been told by a lot of women that I'm needy, so hey, put me in the mix.
You see the difference of playing the FOMC meeting at this time and playing it in the morning and having to hold a spread that doesn't move, you know, and at the end of the day, we basically got the same money, 65 cents. And we only have to worry about an hour and 15 minutes instead of 6 hours.
Yep,
And we got the news out of the way. We have the expected, we identify the trend, we identify the strength, and we're in position of strength. You see the difference? That when other individuals put spreads in the morning to try to beat the market, yeah, this is probably going worthless bullish, you know? It doesn't make no sense of you holding the risk for 5 hours when we could just hold the risk for an hour and 15 minutes.
man. Thank you, Sonia. You just made money.
Just Ford is almost 100%.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
You're not watching it. I am because I'm in it.
Yes.
I know, I
Yes.
don't have, yeah. I have that in another account. I haven't even been in that. Yeah, I already made a
Already had
mistake and
20
got a credit.
cents.
I already made a mistake and got a credit spread on Amazon. Gee, thank God it was a man. Thank God I didn't go like 10, 20 contracts, man. Thank God I only went one just to show you guys.
By the way, Pfizer is going to touch 45 today, I think.
Damn, man, I had a good credit spread.
Jess, you know how many times I tried to snake that damn Amazon?
Ah,
34.
Look at
I
this.
just counted 34 times.
I know.
No fill.
It gets like that.
Sonia, now, is it okay if I tell everybody your secrets, or do I have to wait? Ford, if you've got multiple
What
contracts,
secret are you talking about?
how it is that you knew what to grab, because you just doubled my little account on your own. Did you know that?
But you know what? I don't know what happened, but I only took 10 today.
Sonia, you're going to be mad at me because of how many I took.
No, don't even tell me. I don't want to hear.
I'm not going to.
No,
I don't
don't
want
do
my
it.
wife
Are
to
you
hear it.
guys? Are
Because
you guys
I
doing
did it.
secret
I
trades?
know you took 100.
Sonia actually feeds me. Let's see, what is it?
Oh, secret trades behind our back? What's going on
No,
here?
she's been holding my hand. I didn't
Oh,
want
can
anybody
you hold
to
my
know
hands on you?
all
I
the
like some
stuff that
hand
you guys
holding.
have been
Potty
getting lately
train.
has
Get
been
on,
her
get
secretly.
on the train. Come
Dude,
on.
we're all getting potty trained.
She's been literally holding my hand this whole time. Man, I just realized that
Can
I
I
made a
just-
boo-boo
Can I
with the
just
amount
like
of
squeeze my
contracts.
hand? Can I squeeze my hand right in the middle? You guys can continue to hold hands. Let me just squeeze a finger in
Just
between.
a finger in, yeah.
Spread is at
Just a
15
pinky.
cents,
Just a
guys.
pinky.
The spread is at 15 cents. Just like
Wow, I
that.
made
Look
a
how
boo-boo.
quickly. Look at how quickly we just did a credit spread.
Vance, can we get like a track on the most efficient capital usage in the history of trading?
Sure, I guess.
Oh my God. Speaking of capital efficiency, I have to read you guys this trade I saw in Tasty.
Whoa.
Tasty trade. It was, hold on. This is good.
Rand showed me this earlier. It's hysterical.
Somebody posted, anyone else who does
Rick, even
350
our spread is at 20.
So
It's at
Let
10
me
cents
read you-
right now. Go
No,
ahead.
is-
ours is 2025, which is at 20.
Oh, you took a 2025?
Yes,
Yeah.
at 80
Because
cents.
I
she messaged me.
couldn't get into the other one, so I got this.
Yes,
in-
the
got
whole
this
down
for
on
80
us,
We've all,
cents.
that's what we've
I
all
told
been
you.
complaining
You
about.
guys took a 2025 at 80 cents?
Yes,
Yes.
she told me to take it, so I took it, and then I added to it.
She needs to tell all of us.
told
It's in the
you.
chat.
Literally,
Wow.
this is what it was. I
Man,
heard
you
a
guys
little
are
whisper.
you guys are out of control, man.
Well,
I
good
heard a
for
little
you. First of all,
whisper.
good for you. Good move.
Yeah,
Wow.
but honestly, 25 level, I would rather take the 2015 just because it's lower than the support there. So you guys took a risk and that paid off. But yeah.
That's where the money is, Nish, right? More the risk.
Yeah.
This is the current level of the $2,600 account that I started.
Wow.
That's the $2,600 account that I started with you guys. Maybe like 3 weeks ago.
Wow, they're really killing these premiums right now. I think we close right here, 46.50, kind of like we talked about. I guess I thought 46.30, but I'm guessing 46.50.
Yeah. Well, we could go another 10 points. Easily. Oh yeah, we're going another 10 points. We're going another 10 points. We're going to 46.55 or between 55 and 58. Good job, Steve. Nice. Nice. You're learning? Are you learning? That's the important thing. The money comes. Are you learning? That's what I need to know.
Well, I'm going to review what you did this morning on the
Okay, good.
recording. And, but normally I take two. And for whatever reason, I only took one. So
That's fine.
I know.
Listen. I want you to gain the concept of knowledge. If you have the concept of knowledge, wealth comes right behind it.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yep.
Yeah, it's gonna expire insight. You gotta understand, you all been in different Discord groups, not just mine, okay? And everybody has traded the FOMC one of two ways. They've either rolled the dice in the morning, hoping that the premiums decay until 2 o'clock and get out, or they don't trade it at all because they don't know. What did I say today? Wednesday, we're gonna have our little class. We're gonna kill some time and we'll go to work at 2 o'clock. How long does this spread take to make money?
5 minutes.
Exactly.
I don't
Why?
know. 5 minutes.
Never read.
Actually,
Why? Right, it never went red. Okay, why? And when I gave the spread, how much time after did SPX pop and the spread just went literally from 60 cents to 30 to 20 to 10?
I have my fill at 235 and it's 252, so 17 minutes and it's worthless.
Okay. Wow, what happened? Did somebody just made $1 million?
I wish. Hey, Jess, I have a question. Sorry, I've been busy. I've been busy working, man. Are we letting this expire worthless?
Yeah, I should expire worthless. That old shit sounded like you just made 50K.
Oh no. I entered at 0.50 because I wasn't getting filled at 0.60.
That's fine.
But still,
that's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine.
That's part of the recovery plan, so I'm okay with this game.
Okay, but listen, the important part of today is not making the credit. I want you guys to focus on how to trade an FOMC meeting the correct way.
Okay.
Okay. Many other
Yes, sir.
people put the spread in the morning and pray for hope. Okay?
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah.
Learn what we did today. We waited for the FOMC announcement. The whole day we've been watching price action. And what did I say? Look, we put our little lines in play. Okay. And what did I say all day today? I've been commenting on this for those that pay attention. I said, man, look at these long wicks. Look at these long wicks, man. And I said, what did I say? Man, these people are waiting for something because these wicks are abnormal. These wicks are abnormal. Okay. And what followed the wicks? The results, price action. Go ahead, SPX. What was your question?
No, it was only that if we were gonna be let it expire worthless.
Yeah, it's gonna expire worthless. This probably is already at zero. It should be worthless.
It is at zero. Sonia's spread's at 0 too, by the way, in case you care.
Yeah, I know.
Sorry,
but
she
But
did.
I don't wait for 0. I'm out at 10.
Serenity, you didn't get a trade?
What?
No, Serenity.
Oh.
You didn't get, you missed a trade?
Yeah, I think Serenity missed it. You know, I was about to miss it as well. And I thought when I saw it, it was at 45 cents. I was like, should I now get in or should I not? And the price actually came down a little to get me 55 and all of us jumped in.
Yeah, so I told you 55 is still good.
Yep.
Who did 100 contracts?
Yeah, I did 5.
Oh, okay.
I bet
I
Boy
was
Rick
one
did.
short. I was one short, Rands. I accidentally submitted 69 instead of 70. That wasn't a joke. It was honestly a mistake.
For one contract?
Giggity, giggity.
70 is my normal.
Man, look at Amazon, man.
I didn't realize it until after I looked, and I'm like, crap, I didn't hit 10 on the small account.
Who's in the Amazon play?
I am.
Okay, listen, just so you guys can have.
I gotta go take a break.
If we have a continuation on Amazon, if we get the continuation on Amazon and we close at 34.70, let me tell you. Hold on. Yeah, it's gonna be an old boy for real. So we got the 34. What do we got? 34.50. No, we got the 3,400. Oh my God. What have I done? So we should be able to get about 10 grand out of the $2,500. If it goes to 34.50, 34.60 on the Amazon play.
That sounds great.
By the way, Prof, on the SPX, I noticed that the VIX actually broke that key level, right? There was a support there at 15.9 or something.
Yeah.
On SPX. And
oh, look at Tesla. Tesla's running. Tesla's running. Come on, Tesla. We need to get over 1,200. Tesla, go ahead, Alnesh. I'm listening.
Do you have a call for Tesla? I think you have a leap, right?
I have a leap, and we have that play that we have for next week.
Yeah, we have a Tesla call too, a naked call.
That was another big account play.
Got it. Yes, I was saying that for SPX, when it broke the VIX support and the price broke the resistance, we could have also taken a naked call there, right?
No, the premiums were too high. I was looking at them.
Okay.
The premiums were too high. They weren't like the other day. The premiums were cheap. Look at the naked call on SPX right now, and look at how high the premiums are on the call side. Look, The same play that we took on that 65 one is 85 right now. The premiums were inflated. Remember, this is an FOMC meeting, which premiums they're inflated, so it's good for us in credit spreads. It's really good for us in credit spreads.
Got it.
Man, Tesla's not
Where
gonna
were
trust that.
our 100 contracts in Ford, which we did 2 months back? Man, this would be so good.
I know.
It's 70 cents up.
If Tesla breaks that 1200 or 1210 level, it's going way up.
Oh, it'll resume the price action before damn Elon's tweet.
Yeah, it's time to fill that gap, right?
1500. Then we'll get to 1500.
Yeah, it's time to fill that gap there. Why don't you have a gap? There was a gap after Monday or Tuesday. I don't see it on your chart.
Look at this Amazon play. So even if you want to take profit, this is a one-day play. Even if you want to take profit on this Amazon play. Here's another little account that I got that I'm building up again. Look at my cash on deposit. Look at my cash on deposit in this little account.
Trader, I'm in trouble. Excellent. Trade.
That's $1,000 right there. Oh, that's gonna boost our S&P right now, another 10 points. What he just said.
He's really pumping this thing up more than I have ever seen.
Yeah, good. Stay at climate change. Even though the Federal Reserve has nothing to do with climate change. These people are idiots, man.
Well, their mandate is full employment. That's why it is that everybody, when you were talking about everybody getting a number on their birth certificates that they could be used as leverage, that's why. Full employment mandate, make sure that you have everybody has a value.
Of course. Thank you, Powell. Thank you, Powell. Set them straight. We have to get over
Federal Reserve Chair.
We have to get over 1205 on Tesla. That's what we left the last time. We left it at 1209 actually. If we get over 1209, we'll resume the push up. Here we go. Man, I should have done a Tesla there. And I had one too. I had a play on Tesla. Damn it.
Yeah, her training can wait. Tola's got a
Boom, just broke 12.
Zoom? Oh, yeah. I thought you were talking about
Tesla's
Zoom.
over 12. Oh, I wish.
We need
No,
to go
Tesla's
12.
over
If
12.
we close over 1209, the trend will resume. The rocket will take off. Let's go, Tesla.
Tesla's not. Yeah, you got to be honest with yourself for just a minute. Tesla was never going to go down. It's a main
It was
stock.
only a stupid ass tweet that this guy did, man.
Yeah, but we talked about that. That doesn't matter. I mean, it doesn't.
But remember, we only have like 8 days on this, so I cannot afford for him to act dumb like that. I need him to act dumb after the 8 days.
So the gap down happened from 12.17, right? That was the level.
The only good thing that happened was that we were so high up that we were able to sustain the gap down, and the trade only went down like $100 because it went down to like $4, and we got it for like $5 or whatever it was that we got it for. So we were able to sustain his idiotic tweet. That's the only
Yeah, but
thing.
Tesla was for next week. It's not for this week.
It doesn't matter if we don't get price action with time. Remember, we're $200 away.
Yeah.
So we cannot afford no little $60 tweet like we did. That tweet cost us $60.
The problem is that the it's so far out of the money that the only value in it is basically your theta value.
Exactly.
And you're going to lose like $60 a day on theta. Right. So if you have a pullback of 50 points, you're losing that forward momentum, and it's just going to be a big hit. So you need to be constantly going up, or at least not going backwards, to maintain a level with that trade, because it's not likely going to hit that price point. You're just looking for it to move up enough that you can sell it for 50, 60, 100%.
Look, we were up. That Tesla play was up $9. We bought it for like what, 5.15 or 5 something? It was up $9. Okay. And because of that stupid tweet, it went from $9 all the way to like 4 something. The good thing was that we had that $9 cushion that offset the risk big time. So we only went down like $100, $150, for every contract. I only went down like $470 from $2,700 investment. So my risk tolerance was good. But that $68 cost us $4 to get back on Tesla. That if it would have continued, that Tesla play would have been at $15, $18 right now. From the $9 price point. Another boring day.
Speak for yourself.
If Amazon hit that 34, man, if Amazon hits 3,400 by tomorrow, which it can, and we got another 8 days, and Amazon goes up $300 in those 8 days, which it can, that'll be a $30,000 trade with $2,000.
My target is 34.29. It already broke out of the range. Look at it.
I see it.
This is going to definitely hit at least the bottom of where the gap was. This is too bullish for. Wow, look at the chai too. Holy cow.
Oh shit, and I got, oh man, I forgot. I have 5 contracts. We have 5 contracts on this shit. Damn, that would be 40 grand. Oh man, I forgot. I'm here calculating for every one contract. Each contract was $500. So every $500 is $5,000. Damn.
Even the news outlets are keeping this narrative bullish. Wow, I am really surprised, actually.
Yeah, I didn't even think. Yeah, it's gonna be.
Hey, Jess, you're talking about the Tesla, right? 5 contract?
Yeah.
All right. And you still think it closed over 50 today on the SPX?
Yeah, 55, 58. About 55 or 58. Let me see.
Okay.
Hold on. Yeah, 58. We're gonna close at 46, 58, 46, 59.
The the only possible thing where this might not be bullish in just a very short-term manner, if we don't hit job numbers on Friday, I can see a pullback just to push it forward more to hit
Yeah.
the
Yep,
47,
definitely agree with
4800
that.
levels. So Friday or Monday, we might have one of those like 70, 80 point down days, just as everybody takes profit, and then it's going to rip right back up like a day or two later, because we're overdue for it. We didn't actually have one in most of October because we were still kind of recovering from that end of the September big drawdown. We had that like 3% move down. So we didn't really have one in October. So we're a little bit overdue for that monthly like 2% retracement.
Because yeah, I could definitely see that, because then what we're going to have is even more of a stronger Santa Claus rally.
Exactly.
That 5,000 is going to be by Christmas if we get a pullback Thursday, down day Friday. So this week we could make a ton of money.
Yeah.
Monday is going to be absolutely like not even relevant after a while. Well, it is for me already today, but whatever.
Yeah, because I'm looking forward to that day where, you know, I wake up and the ad is at like negative 4,000 or some asinine number, and you know we're down 100 points for the day. I'm waiting for it, not because I want it to be down that day, but because I know we can make a crap ton of money.
That's when we got to get Sonia, Tola, and Ping to eye out contracts so we can just take singles.
Yeah, absolutely.
They're really good at shopping for that stuff. So when we start taking singles and doing the Texas hedges, that's when we can really start to make a lot of money.
Or if you can
That's
catch
what
it
I need
before
to
the
look.
volatility, if you can catch it before the volatility expands too much, sometimes 20 or 30 points down, you can get like an in the money put credit spread for like 50 cents or $450 of a credit. So it's only costing you 50 cents to buy, and it's in the money. So if all it has to move is like 30 points, and then it's now out of the money, and you could buy 10 of them for $500 and make $5,000 on it. But you got to catch before the expected move of volatility skyrockets. That's the
Remember
catch.
when we spoke yesterday about when to leverage your account?
Yeah.
Okay, look at the size of this account.
Well, Vance, you're right about turning the money printers on today.
Wow, he's saying really bullish things.
I was. Yeah, just very bullish.
He's
Very,
just
very bullish.
continuing to go. I don't know. I don't know if he's got like something that's like programmed in his brain that he dodges any type of questions.
No, he's a great speaker. He's
also fighting for his job right now. So
he's a
he wants
great speaker.
He wants to make the market drive up so that way, you know, Biden won't replace him with some other kook.
I really don't. I wish that they wouldn't, because I think he's kind of brought a little bit more stability, and now that we reduced purchasing, maybe he'll be just a little bit. It'll just be a little bit better.
The only thing I don't like about him is that these little press conference.
Yeah,
that's the only
he
thing
has
I don't like
improved
about
over
him.
the years, though. I agree with that.
Yeah, he likes to hear himself talk.
Yeah.
Well, he's
that's
a
the only-
politician.
He is.
Yes.
That's how he got that job. He has so many friends in Washington. I read that he's got so many friends that's exactly how he got that job.
Yeah. Oh my God, is Shopify going? Oh, Shopify's about to go. I just got a big flow on Shopify.
Ford's almost at 100%.
Ford is 100%.
Ford is almost at 100%.
And Shopify wants to pop.
Like the good old days, Vom. It's like like June all over again, when we would all hammer out all of the 1,000% days, and then on Friday night you could tell everybody was drinking and talking on Discord.
By the way, Shopify, if it goes above that 1,500 level, that would be a nice one.
That is so ignorant. There's a guy in the Spot Gamma Discord that's saying that the Tesla tweet put the top in. He's going to eat his words tomorrow. It's going to go to 1250 tomorrow.
Yeah, Godfrey. I mean, Godbit. ALL. That's a good point. That's a good entry point right there on American Airlines.
Hey, Jess.
Yeah.
Why is Sonia's spread 0, but yours is not yet? Oh, there it is, 0.
I have a Russell.
Tim,
No,
actually,
it's 0 now.
this spread's 0. This spread's been 0 for like 20 minutes.
Because it's my spread.
Yeah.
All right. Well, my Russell.
I'm just going to keep poking the bear.
I am out of 200%. I'll take it tomorrow if it drops.
Sonia would say because the market is against me.
No, we don't mess with the Russian. Not at all. You do not do that.
Oh my God.
Hey, Jess.
Yeah.
I missed that. You said, what did you say?
American Airlines is good at that level.
All right.
Let me see what you gotta buy time though, because these don't move like that. This is only moving because of, so you gotta buy time. You gotta get like a December 10 or December 3. You get 30 days out. The 21 is at 79 cents. You probably go all the way down to like 22.50. You see? In 30 days, they could test the top of this trend and possibly go to 25. It has accumulation. And MACD, it just crossed over with strength. So this will, in the next 35 days, you could go to $25 easily. Now we should have never closed that Bank of America. I forgot about the FOMC being today.
Just going back to that American Airlines, 25 is a strong support or a resistance. I mean, right now it's a resistance, but it's a strong one.
Where's Tony at? Yeah, remember guys, days like today are the days that you honestly are going to make a lot of money. Once the market picks a direction and you just are patient, you will make a lot of money. These days are a lot easier than Monday. It just is, it is easier. This is the most clear-cut view of trading that you can get. This is very normal. I mean, I know that it's kind of nerve-wracking, but just look at your indicators. All the indicators, when it does pick a direction and you see things increase, it's just clear signs. And that's what we want to do.
Yeah, the other thing is, Rick, just to add to your point, right, that 15.9 for VIX was such, it was moving in the zone over there, and when it broke that, and when the price went above the resistance, right, that 4640, then it was not going to come back.
Man, Amazon's almost at 3,400, man. Oh boy, what we wanted to do with Tesla, Amazon might come through. Tesla might come through too. Just had a little bit of a hiccup with Tesla. Man, test Amazon. Man, when I saw that sweep come in, boy, they try to sneak this one past us. They really try to sneak. And I had just happened to have the level 2 up.
So the level 2 data really comes in handy when such big sweeps are coming in, right?
The what?
The level 2 data comes in very handy when such big sweeps are coming in, right?
Yeah, just to see what you could E-Trade Pro has one.
Oh,
the web-based E-Trade, you just gotta play with it. It's somewhere in there. I know it is because I've seen it. I just don't know how to use it. The E-Trade, the web-based E-Trade, not the app, but the other one has a lot of good features, man. I just gotta sit down one day and look at YouTube and break it down. But I think it has a level 2 in there.
Yeah, and actually Panda just mentioned it. I think Think or Swim also has level 2.
Yeah.
They do.
Yeah.
I just need to figure out how to see it.
You have to pay for it though. It's not like part of it normally.
Oh,
With
really?
Thinkorswim. Yeah, it's an added fee. I think it's like $10 a month or something like that.
Okay.
Or maybe it is free.
Yeah, I think I saw it. I'm actually now logging in.
Hey, look at Suzanne's order, because I'm not familiar with that platform. Is that a credit spread or what is that? I'm not familiar with that platform.
That's Tasty's web-based app.
What is that? A credit spread or a debit spread?
That is a debit spread because they're buying the 33.70 and selling the 33.75.
Yeah, that's a debit spread.
If it's a debit spread, Suzanne, it should not be dropping. It should be increasing in price. Because you're over the 70. Did anybody get that debit spread that I gave? 33.70? The one for $2? You should be in the money on that. It's over the debit. All right, I forgot about that. Yeah, it's in the money. So you're gonna get, as long as it stays there, you're gonna get full. Yeah, it is. You're gonna get full full credit on that debit. That debit should be like $400, $300 something.
Now, keep in mind with debit spreads, especially on something like Amazon or Tesla, your brokerage is going to calculate that off in the mid, and the bid asks are so wide, especially in the money, that it may not be priced accurately
right.
10 days out.
Right.
So as long as you're in the money, you're in the money. You don't need to worry about it.
You don't need to, right? Just let it close by itself.
Because it'll close for a profit. It'll close for max win.
Right.
So,
right.
But yeah, like Amazon, you might have a 50-cent wide bid ask.
Right.
So
yeah, don't close it. Just let it ride.
Yeah, just let it ride.
Guys, I have a quick question. I'm trying to wrap my head around this, but I'm hoping you guys can help. I took 3 contracts today on that SPS credit spread. I took 2 at 50 and then the third one at 55. Being I got the third one at 55, what does that do to the first 2 orders at 50 cents?
It just averages it.
Oh,
So
okay.
it's like having $1.65 divided by 3. So it comes out to like 52.3 or whatever.
Is that Victor?
Yeah, that was Victor talk.
That is Victor. Okay.
Yeah, basically it averages it out.
Yeah, it's going to average out to 51.6 cents.
Anybody who has that Amazon play, you got 1,500 right now. Amazon is almost at 1,500.
Hey, Jess, I'm switching to Bluetooth. I didn't hear. When you say there's a large sweep coming in, is there a certain dollar amount you look for?
Yeah, like $500,000,
Okay.
300,000, especially on Amazon. It's a $2,000 stock. So imagine how many $300,000 contracts. That's like huge. You know, that's like huge.
Okay.
Man, what an easy day, man. FOMC meeting. You guys gotta post that. Post the experience today at the most price action event, which is an FOMC meeting. The experience you got on how to trade it, and what you experienced today, please.
I think that every time that I have ever traded FOMCs, especially with you, I have made a ton of money. It's also been the easiest trading. I don't like, it just amazes me. That's why I just sit and sit and sit, and it's fine, and I really don't worry. And then, oh, look, it takes a direction. And
TJ, just let it, is that the credit spread, TJ? Is that the credit spread that we did today? Just let it expire. Let it expire. You're not going to get a fill. You're not going to, nobody's going to buy that contract back. Not at these levels. The error that you're getting is probably telling you we cannot find enough shares or enough contracts.
oh shoot, Tony, did you trade or not?
Just let it expire worthless.
Yeah, don't close the SPX credit spread.
Yeah, don't close it.
You're literally going to give away money.
Right, you're going to give away a commission plus whatever
plus the 5 or 10 cents you're going to close with it.
Right.
This is not going to come back 40 points. You got nothing to worry about.
Not right. That credit spread is worthless.
If anything, in the last 10 minutes, we're going to run up 10 points.
Exactly. Correct. Absolutely correct.
That's one thing that I did recently, was calculated how much it was costing me to close. And I was basically making a fourth trade by saving on commissions and fees.
Yep.
So it was, that's insane. I mean,
yeah, I actually wondered that. So how much do we pay in commission and fee? I think it's around $1 per contract.
Yeah, I mean, it depends on your broker, but it can be anywhere from 50 cents to $1 per contract, plus fees.
We're just gonna have one more run up and that's it. So I don't see no more plays.
This would have been the best in the money play that we possibly could have done. Look at when that MACD spiked even more at almost 3 o'clock. I was trying to focus on that, but I'm like, nah, I'm up too much. I'm done.
Yeah, I need you guys to be at 100,000K account for us to do that. So when you lose 5 or 10 grand, you just laugh at it. You don't worry about it. Everything has its process.
So what are we supposed to do for the next 30 minutes?
I don't know. Tell a joke.
Yeah, so maybe let me ask this question, and I actually posted it as well. So we pay around.
Oh my God, Amazon's at 9. We're $10 away from the money. Oh my God, if we hit 3,400, get ready. This is gonna be a $50,000 play.
I was going to call that out, but I didn't want to cut off niche.
Man, listen, man. When it comes to money and business, everybody needs to understand. Don't take it personal. After 4 o'clock, we'll go have a beer. It's just business.
Yeah, I'm looking at Amazon as well, by the way.
Woo! Man, if we close over 3,400, the algorithms are gonna kick in hard tomorrow. Those things are gonna kick in big time tomorrow. Damn, I only put this thing on one account, man.
And I think you have it for 3 weeks, or how many weeks do you have it for?
Man, I only took one of these Amazon play, man. I took it in that $2,000 account.
Yes, Joyce, Amazon will be a swing. That one's going to be a multi-day runner.
Oh, so it's November 12th. So you have next week's expiry.
Man, this thing, and we got time on this, man. We're in the money on Amazon, and with time, every $30 is $3
big time.
Yeah, Josh, you missed it. You hear Josh? White boy.
What's that?
You didn't hear you listened to Josh, right? From the trading fraternity. You didn't hear what he just said?
No, what?
He goes, man, I should have gotten that Amazon play because I told him.
I'm gonna rewind it and I'm gonna play it online.
Watch. He says, yeah, I wanted to get some of the Amazon because I told him. I said, Josh, Amazon, I'm about to put it on my stream.
Goes out a little bit.
Oh, darn it, it's live, so I can't play it back. I'll play it back. I've been listening to him all day because that's the easiest way to get all of your information.
Yeah, he's good. I know him personally.
Yeah, he's your Elon insider, isn't he?
Yeah, he lives right next to Elon. He literally lives right next door to Elon Musk, the trading fraternity. Hey,
I'll post the link.
Post it right here if you want.
This is the only. So I listen to them, and then I'll sometimes listen to other guys, but everybody.
This guy's really good, man. He's really honest. He's a God-fearing man. This guy is really. I know him personally, man. He has a Lamborghini SUV. He has a G-Wagon. This guy is really, really God-centered. Everything. Real good dude.
Who are we talking about?
Josh.
This guy.
Right there.
This is how I got started, guys. He started posting videos on why you need to sell premium. His video from 2 years ago was credit spreads you're basically the market maker, and this is why you sell premium. Yeah, I'm like, okay, so I'll do it. And that was why I never blew up an account.
And I didn't get assigned. He helps everybody. He helps everybody for free. This guy is, I'm telling you, man, I know him personally. This guy is a good dude. He's an Egyptian. He came with no money. His parents are foreigner from Egypt. This guy came flat broke here and actually made the American dream come true. This guy is really, really humble.
This is so he gives you also screenshots of Bloomberg Terminal. I'm never going to get a Bloomberg Terminal as long as he's on air.
Yeah.
So he has a live session every day.
Yes,
yeah, every day, 9:30 from 9 to 4.
Wow.
So what he'll do is the
Look, he's
most
talking about
important-
Amazon, white boy. He's talking about Amazon.
got rid of our option trades recently just because we thought we took most of it. But other than that, I made double dip coming in earnings. TLT hitting a new low. Tesla.
He was the one that also taught me about TLT,
Yeah.
why that was important. But so market open, 9 o'clock, right? He'll go through and he'll read off exactly the Bloomberg brief from the Bloomberg terminal. And he gives it to everybody.
Yeah, he gives it to everybody for free.
Video at night to go over his plays.
Yeah.
But the most important thing is that he goes over what you need to know about the market. So
He does
recently
watch
he's
lists
been
also.
posting what he's been posting, like whatever what the normal move of an FOMC meeting is from Bloomberg. I mean, he'll like, it's just actionable intelligence. That's what it actually is. And it's kind of crazy that he gives it away for free.
He's a good dude, man. That dude is a good dude. Trust me when I tell you that. That dude's a real good dude, real humble. And like I said,
Real rich too.
He's
a self-made individual. He's been doing this since he was like 19 or 18.
Yes, correct.
Never went to college.
Correct. And he's really helpful to everybody, man. Very, very helpful. When you guys have a chance, he has a watch list every afternoon. He goes in it for about 16 minutes and tells you what he sees, what plays he might be playing, and his plays are accurate, man. Because the plays that he does are almost 100% the same things that I do. Me and him share information a lot.
Where does he post his watch list?
Usually it's like at 7 or at 8 o'clock at night or something like that. He usually goes to the gym because he's actually got an office that he will stream from, and he's got because he's big into real estate. That's actually where he made like 90% of his money is real estate. And so he'll stream all day long while all of his guys are doing a bunch of other stuff. He goes to the gym and then he comes back, does that whole thing. And I don't understand how he does it this quick. He must have like video editors that are on call 24/7, because he'll do one on the weekend or he does it himself. I don't know. But I watch it every morning before I go to the gym.
And
he'll go
posted
over
on
watch
YouTube?
lists, go over news, go over. So like today, he kept talking about this is going to be bullish. He kept saying ECB, and I saw it on Twitter too. The ECB said that we're not even going to come close to raising rates. So that's why the market held. The market held because the world is not going to raise rates. That means that we're definitely not going to. So if we're just going to reduce bond purchasing, there's no big deal about that. So oh shoot, what did PayPal do? I got to open up our watch list. So we had yesterday about, dang it, CarMax. Sonia, didn't you call that one out? Google. Tolo, you still got the Google calls, the GOOGL. Palantir.
What was CarMax? I never said CarMax.
Didn't you say do CarMax? Because
No, it
last
wasn't
night,
me.
didn't you?
It was Flyboy.
Oh, see, I was watching an Adam Sandler movie while you guys were saying this. So I was just trying to quickly put together the watch list. David, are you on right now? Is David here? David T. He had 2 plays that look like that they're actually going to be doing pretty good. Let me look them up.
Where do you see his? Are you seeing from Josh's watch list?
What's that?
Are you seeing it in the watch list that Josh shares?
No. It was yesterday. There was a bunch of requests to go over stuff, and David had a bunch of plays that I was keeping an eye on.
Okay.
I'm trying to figure out. He got a PCS for Snap that we rolled to buy more time. PLTR November 5th. Oh, he should be good there. 18.5. Let me look. Usually I can remember this stuff. I don't know why I can't remember it
You got
this
some
time.
Airbnb leaps.
He's huge into Airbnb.
Yeah, well, he's good on long-term portfolio. Damn good.
Yes.
He's like, that's the guy you want to listen to.
I have the December JP Morgan, the ones from yesterday.
27.
America, flip that out. Then I've added another JP, flipped out of that one. That one just literally, I got to play with banks, make some money off the banks today. That way, like, even if I go down another 20%,
Sorry.
30% on the JP Morgans, I made that back.
Who turned the heat up? Holy cow.
But I think the banks are going to have a multi-day continuation off of this. I like I think we can legalize marijuana within the reading of legislation. Yeah. You want it? Want it? Marijuana. That's Bitcoin. Wait a minute. Hold on. So you smoke weed. Bad for the environment. You eat it, it's fine. Smoke. Come on. You need crime.
So how was the trade today, guys? You had education, you made money. Give me some input. Was it good? Was it bad? Do we need to change anything?
It was awesome, especially all the training that we got even before we took the trade.
I took the Sonia call, so I don't know what you're talking about.
It was not that far away.
She just pays better, I guess.
Yeah, both Sonia and Ping are good at what they do.
Look at Jacko.
Yeah, look
Spy
at
of
it.
$1,000.
Of course, 1K, of course. Why am I not surprised?
Jacko is really good in SPY.
Yeah, she is. Very, very good.
Yeah,
That's
she
why
is.
you trade
Yeah.
what you're good at.
Her and Ping.
He's a very good example.
Her and Ping are good.
We may be losing momentum, but price action is diverging up. So we
What was
still
the
have
close
20
again?
minutes.
46.58.
Yeah.
Mule, did you put a butterfly in? Mule be getting good with those butterflies, man.
I know.
Mule, I gave you 46.58 as a close. Did you put a butterfly together?
Space yet? Come on, think about it. You're going in there.
46.60 is $1.40. Is it worth taking? Make a call.
Let me see. Hold on.
Yeah, I think it might just hit 46.60 if it breaks this level.
Yeah, it will.
And look at the VIX. It's coming down.
I know. I can't even see it on my computer anymore.
It's probably going to that 14.9 level.
Yeah, Mule, I hope you put a butterfly today, man. I'm on point today on that close. What was the strike on that?
You gotta
SPX?
get them cheap though for it to be worth it.
Oh, well, you
So,
gotta,
I mean-
I don't know how to do those, so.
Yeah, because like the way they're really efficient is if you can get them for like sub 50 cents, you can put on like, again, same kind of concept. You can put on like 10 of them for $500. And as soon as they go up to $2, you can sell them for a huge gain. But when they're like 100, 150 bucks, it's just not worth it.
Oh, okay, well,
So
you guys make the call. I could give you the close. I've never done the butterflies. I've never
Yeah.
done the butterfly, so.
yeah, exactly, Steve. It's $1.45 is just almost not worth it. Because at that level, you got to hold it to almost expiration.
It's $1.90 now.
What is it?
No.
The 46.60 call, I think it's going to be good.
Yeah, it is.
Well, I called it. It better be good.
No, it's gonna close under that.
Well, Sonia might
We're
come
gonna
out
at least
before
hit
that.
46.
Well, if I was at least 50 cents up, I would have
It's
run
gonna
with the
close
50
right
cents.
here. 46.58. It's gonna close right here.
It might just go up and then come down.
46.58. 46.57. 46.58. They already went shopping right after Powell started saying they're gonna continue shopping tomorrow.
Well, if you think about it, a lot of the tech is still on a discount.
Yeah, everything is still on a discount.
I mean, that's why you got to kind of, and then if you think about it too, small caps still have upside too, because the only reason why the Russell went up today was because of cars and AMC. So that Santa Claus rally to 5,000, that's actually more realistic than anything else.
Big time.
Here we go. Push up Palantir, push up Palantir. Get out of that range.
Man, you know what? We got those Amazon so cheap because we got them before they inflated the premiums, man. We got 9 days on Amazon for $2,500, man. That is super cheap, man. Super
$2.50.
No, $25.
No, $2.50. The spread,
No,
all
the
what I
Amazon.
said.
The Amazon was the one that you said.
It was $1.30 and now it's $2.80.
Yeah, you gotta scalp it though. See, you gotta close it right now because if not, time will kill you.
No, I didn't even take it.
Oh.
I'm just
Oh, you
watching,
didn't?
just eyeing it.
You
should
gotta
have taken
scalp
it.
that. You gotta scalp that because 46.61 will be your break even. So if you're at 100%, you gotta take 100% because if not, time will kill you. So you're basically profiting on the inflation of premium.
No, I'm in the DMP mode right now. I'm done.
What's a DMP mode?
Jess, you need to
Discipline,
say what
manage,
is
and
DMP.
protect capital.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Natural
Yeah.
light hard seltzer, huh?
65.70. 65.70.
Oh,
70 cents.
Which one?
The 65.70 CCS.
5.7. Yeah, it is gonna close under 60.
Yeah, I got that 65.70, 55 cents about a minute ago.
Which one?
The 65.70 CCS for 55
Oh, the
cents.
credit. Yeah,
Yeah,
that should be good. How much did you get it for?
55 cents.
Damn.
It's 55.60 right now.
Yeah, it's still right there.
Yeah,
totally
it's still that
65.
level.
And maybe you can even scalp it for like 70 because it's very close, right?
Yeah, it's pushing up though. I'm waiting for it to kick back a little bit.
you guys got to get on that Wall Street Bets Discord. It's got absolutely everything.
Anybody who
link.
wants I'll share a link to anybody who wants it.
Put the link on it. Put the
Well,
link
There's
here.
it is
so
a little,
much
it is a
info
little
on there.
inappropriate sometimes too, but
It's so overwhelming though. There's so many things on there.
it's mainly the girls that are inappropriate. What is this girl doing? But the reason why I like it is because they've got all of the futures, DXY, 10-year. Some of these guys and the stuff that they come up with, ladies and men, is insane. They've got to be savants. They just can't trade.
No, they got 81,000 members. Holy
Yeah.
Oh,
We were looking at Wall Street Bets last night while you were still messing around with your tech guy. We watched one guy sell. He shorted car stock and lost $500,000 or $50,000 off of his $5,000 account.
Damn, man. If Amazon closes over 3,400 today, oh my God. Every $50 is $5 grand, and we got 8 days.
Why would the health providers be leading right now?
Probably FDA approvals and all the stuff that they've got.
Okay, Jess, you see Tesla's 1206?
Yeah, I know. If it goes over 1209, man, Elon cost us $68 to move, man. We would have been at 1300 today, man. There it goes.
Oh yeah, bullish. It's definitely gonna hit there.
If it goes over, if it closes near 1209, it'll continue the rally that it started before Elon's tweet.
There's goofballs that are trying to say that he put the top in. That's a bunch of crap.
Man,
you're gonna have way too many dip buyers.
Tesla is going to 1500, man, in the next week or two.
There's more euphoria surrounding Tesla than there has been ever meme stock because it's got value to it now.
You know why Tesla is more bullish now? Because one of Elon's tweet that he said, we don't need Hertz. We have too much demand for our product. That's extremely bullish.
Oh, you know about Tesla where they are going to supply some cars to Europe as well, Europe or UK?
The UK?
Yeah,
it's the UK. It's the UK, yes.
They were just approved to do taxis for Teslas in the UK.
Wow.
What?
Yeah.
Who called out PayPal? That was Ahsoka Tano, right?
KB, what was it doing?
PayPal's ripping.
Really?
Yeah, it's actually.
Damn,
I think it might have reversed finally.
We broke the technical on it.
Let's see here. So we finally, I think we might have broken the downtrend. Shoot. You guys gotta. You guys call all this stuff out, and it's actually really good trades. And
yeah, we gotta find a way to capitalize on this information. There you go, Vance. There it goes. Under 60. 46.58. There you go, Vance. I made the call for you, right, buddy?
Yeah, it's at 30 right now.
That was at $1 like 2 minutes ago.
So, yeah, I mean, that's okay, right?
Google will keep going there, Tola. I don't think that one's coming back. Netflix is up 2%.
Yeah, the entire tech is kind of up right now. If you saw that SPX snapshot, all of it is up.
Tesla's more bullish than any of them right now. We put in demand about 1 o'clock Central Time, so 2 o'clock. That's not coming back. So we've got 4 points on Tesla, and it's above previous high.
So I'm just looking at the entire SPX. Amazon and Tesla are both 2.28% up.
Did MOC come out yet? Anybody got
it's only 354.
Go ahead, sir. Randy.
325 buy side.
You got filled at 275?
Oh no, she took the 466065.
I think it's worthless right now.
Why would we be mad? It's actually in a bullish move like this, that's a good play.
And Serenity couldn't get into the PCS, right?
Oh, Tesla's making you high. Tesla's making you high. Tesla making you high. There it goes. Boy. There it goes.
Over 1210.
There it goes. Come on, baby. This will continue. So we got the 475. 1475 is what we got. We need 200. 270.
Hold above 1209 and you're going to ride the wave for days. Look at the wave the last time. That was a 4-day making new highs every day. And it was from 1,000. So it's going to run a minimum of 200 points. You'll hit 1,500 by at least next week, Tuesday.
Yeah, if it breaks that 1217 level, right? Because that's the gap. If it fills that gap, it's going up.
And I was gonna buy Tesla when it pulled back earlier today.
Yeah, I asked about that. I was thinking about doubling down on our straight calls too.
Yeah, I was gonna get this week just on a follow through, so I could close quick. Like a scalp. I was gonna do a scalp. I wasn't gonna add to the one we had.
So Serenity is at 466065.
You give it 1 minute to allow it to collapse the premium a little bit, even though it just bounced a little bit here. You'll let it collapse the premium a little bit at 355. So 8 seconds, and then you can see.
Yeah,
There
I
you
mean the
go.
break even is 62.75, right?
Yep.
So as long as it stays below that.
No, I don't think it's going to hit it. These are the MACD saying this is kind of weak.
Yeah, 58, man, 46.58.
And the high right now is 63.45. So the only, like, even if it expires there, it would be a loss of, I don't know, 70 cents.
No, Tesla is making new highs.
Well, that's because it broke the previous all-time high. It'll keep going now. Now it's like Bob Dunn says, ride the wave. Senator Sanders, my proposal removes salt cap for the middle class. Now you should be more than 50% right now. It should have collapsed big time.
You know, for anybody not in that straight Tesla call, we're at about break even right now. If you wanted to grab one, it's only the PCS that's gone up all the way, or that's almost worthless.
4 minutes for the gap to fill.
What's the gap for Tesla?
Yeah.
Where is the gap? What number?
It's there post market. So I think you won't see it if you're seeing it in 1 day chart. But if you look at it in 15 minutes, you see a gap from 12.17.
What price? What price is the gap at?
12.17. It dropped from 12.17.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, it's at break even right now at 550.
All right, let's get Serenity the entire premium now.
1 minute left. We should get a pullback here. The VIX is saying a pullback.
Yep. Serenity, yours is going to be max profit.
VIX is signaling a pullback.
Yeah, let's get Serenity the entire premium.
Watch it collapse here. Gone.
$25 seconds.
Yep. Here we go. They'll close it under 60 just to prove a point.
They will close at 50, 59 just to get just right.
Yep.
10 seconds.
Here we go. There we go. Down, 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 down.
It's gonna close right at
And your
60.
max profit.